Luck, everybody. Let's see what happens in an inked jersey. That's right, it's an exclusive here at Friendly Box Breaks by Historic Autographs. Ho! Inked jersey is coming up. I have it right now in our 217 break. What I'm going to do is make this list bigger by just simply multiplying it by 5. And now it's time to do some randoming. So we're going to random this owner list 7 times. We're going to random the checklist 7 times. We'll stack the 2 lists up side by side. And you'll see who you are matched up with. All right, here's the lucky number 7. The first random is now complete. So this is our owner list complete. Now time for the next random. Good luck, everybody, landing your favorite players or whatever you feel like is just the best jersey to get. Seven times through. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. All right, so you can see the owner names right here on the right side, and Reggie Jackson goes to Matt S. Sparky Lyle, Mr. Jinlu, and you can just see everybody with their different players. Brownlee, way to go with Jerry Rice. Deion Sanders, Ben. Feel free to make a trade. Once again, we've got some current players in here. We've got some legends of the game who don't like to practice very much, but still are very much legends. We got Dr. J, Walter Payton for Eric B. Oh, my goodness. Practice. Did you say something about practice? Here we go. Coming up in a jersey break is going to be a Lou Brock. Oh, my gosh. Kevin McHale. Tom Glavine. Oh, my. Let's see what we got here. Good luck, everybody. Let's check out the first hit. Looks like a Lou Piniella. Oh, Oh, my. What a great hit. Who's got Lou Piniella? Ben V. Congratulations, Ben. In spot number 22, man. That's an awesome hit. Congratulations, Lou Piniella. Autographed jersey, JSA certified. What a gem. What a beauty. Wow. Lou Piniella. That'll be a great wall hanger. It'll look beautiful framed up, man. Beautiful. Next hit. Next hit in the 2 jersey break. What's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Coming out of here in a 2 jersey break. What do we have? Oh, my. This is a really neat hit. It's Archibald. Archibald. Who's got Archibald? Legend of the game, Nate Archibald for Alan B. A true legend. Allen in the number 27 spot. Congratulations, Hall of Famer 1991, and Nate Archibald. JSA certification. Ho! Big Hit Boulevard. Oh, yeah. That is cool, man. Nice hit coming out of the box break for Alan B. And that's our 2 jersey break, everybody. Pretty cool stuff. Lou Piniella and Nate Archibald. Congrats, Alan. And also, another congratulations going out to Ben V with a Lou Piniella. Yeah, that is very, very cool. That is a beautiful item to have come out of the box break. Just a beauty. And we've got more great stuff coming up. That was exciting.